Hi there, students. A dictum, a countable noun, and plural, dicta, ending in an A, but you can also say dictums. I think the Americans use dictums more. Okay, we use this word dictum in two ways, I think, or maybe a little more. But I think the main meaning is a proverb, an axiom, a saying. So don't get mad, get even. It's a famous dictum. It's a famous axiom. Yeah. A short principle that expresses a general truth, an adage, an aphorism, a saw, a maxim. Yeah. And then we also use a dictum like the word a decree, something that is an authoritative statement by somebody in authority, something that you've got to follow. So you've got to follow the dictums of the teacher. You've got to follow what teacher says you've got to do. So a formal pronouncement. Yeah. Um, okay, and then finally, legally, you can use this word dictum orbitans. Yeah, or no, dictum orbiter. This is a decision made by a judge during a case, but about a specific point of law during that case. It's not a decision about the whole case. It's just a decision about one little thing that the lawyers are arguing about. So a dictum, a passing comment, yeah, or a pronouncement, yeah, a statement saying this is what you've got to do. So it could be a bit of friendly advice, a maxim or an adage or something like that, or it could be something you've got to do this, yeah. At home we have to follow mother's dictum of taking our shoes off before we go into the house. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And then again, as I said, some sort of saying, some popular saying, like I don't know, a nice dictum. If it's not God, if you can understand it, then it's not God. Okay, so either a statement made by authority or some sort of proverb. A dictum. Let's see. I think as a maxim or something, or a proverb, I think I'd probably give it 6.5 in formality. I think use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or a formal writing. And then the teacher's dictum about not taking mobile phones into class, I think I'd probably give it a 6, maybe slightly less formal. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. I don't think I would use it informally. I would probably just say order. And then as to origin, well, this comes from Latin dictum, a proverb or a maxim, from dico, I say. Yeah. And that's it. So a dictum. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dictum, dicta, dictums.